The Art of Succulent Arrangements. Welcome to Plant Care, where we delve into the captivating world of succulent arrangements. In this video, we will explore the art of creating stunning centerpieces for any occasion and reveal the secrets to designing thriving succulent gardens year-round. Join us as we unleash your creativity with unique compositions and guide you through crafting Instagram-worthy displays. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more inspiring plant care content. Creating stunning succulent centerpieces for every occasion. Succulent centerpieces are a versatile and trendy option for any occasion. These stunning arrangements bring a touch of nature indoors and can elevate the aesthetics of your space instantly. One reason succulents are a popular choice for centerpieces is their low maintenance requirements. They thrive in various environments and can survive with minimal care, making them perfect for busy individuals or events. When creating succulent centerpieces, consider using a mix of colors, textures, and sizes to add visual interest. Combining different varieties of succulents can result in a more dynamic and visually appealing arrangement. Additionally, incorporating decorative elements like rocks, sand, or driftwood can further enhance the overall look of the centerpiece, adding dimension and depth. Succulent centerpieces are also highly customizable to suit different occasions and themes. Whether you are hosting a casual gathering, a formal dinner, or a special celebration, there is a succulent arrangement that can complement the ambiance and style of your event. From rustic and earthy to modern and elegant, the versatility of succulents allows for endless creative possibilities when designing centerpieces. Another benefit of succulent centerpieces is their longevity. Unlike cut flowers that wilt and need to be replaced frequently, succulents can last for weeks or even months with proper care. This makes them a cost-effective and sustainable choice for centerpieces, especially for events that span an extended period. By incorporating succulent centerpieces into your decor, you can bring a touch of nature's beauty to any occasion while enjoying the benefits of their durability and aesthetic appeal. Discovering the perfect balance of color, texture, and shape in succulent arrangements. Color, texture, and shape play critical roles in creating visually appealing succulent arrangements. When selecting succulents for your arrangement, consider the color wheel to achieve a harmonious balance. Combining complementary colors can create a vibrant and eye-catching centerpiece, while using analogous colors can result in a more cohesive and calming look. Mixing different shades of green, purple, red, and blue succulents can add depth and interest to your arrangement. In addition to color, texture is a key element in succulent design. Succulents come in various textures, from smooth and glossy to rough and spiky. Incorporating a mix of textures can make your arrangement more dynamic and engaging. Pairing smooth echeverias with textured haworthias or fuzzy kalanchos can create an intriguing contrast that adds visual appeal to the overall composition. Shapes of succulents also contribute to the aesthetic of the arrangement. Using a combination of rosettes, trailing varieties, and geometric shapes can create a balanced and visually stimulating centerpiece. Taller, upright succulents like euphorbias can provide height and structure, while cascading varieties like string of pearls or burro's tail can add a sense of movement and softness to the arrangement. Consider the size and growth habits of succulents when arranging them to ensure a harmonious balance. Grouping succulents of varying sizes can create a sense of scale and proportion in your arrangement. By carefully selecting and arranging succulents based on color, texture, shape, and size, you can create a captivating centerpiece that embodies the perfect balance of visual elements for a stunning display. Unleashing your creativity with unique and eye-catching succulent compositions. Creating unique and eye-catching succulent compositions allows you to unleash your creativity and showcase your personal style. One way to add interest to your arrangements is by incorporating various container options. Think outside the traditional pot and explore using unconventional vessels such as teacups, driftwood, or even old boots to give your succulent composition a distinct and unexpected look. The container you choose can greatly influence the overall aesthetic of the arrangement and serve as a key element in your design. Experimenting with different planting techniques can also elevate the creativity of your succulent compositions. Mix and match succulents of different sizes, colors, and shapes to create a visually striking arrangement. Play with asymmetrical or symmetrical layouts, clustering succulents together for a lush look or spacing them out for a more minimalist design. By layering succulents at varying heights or angles, you can add depth and dimension to your composition, making it more captivating and dynamic. Integrating decorative elements such as rocks, pebbles, shells, or crystals can further enhance the aesthetic appeal of your succulent compositions. These embellishments not only add visual interest but can also complement the natural beauty of the succulents. Consider adding a focal point like a decorative figurine or a unique driftwood piece to create a focal point and draw the eye to a specific area of the arrangement. The possibilities are endless when it comes to personalizing your succulent compositions, allowing you to express your creativity and create one-of-a-kind displays that reflect your individuality and artistic flair. Secrets to designing succulent gardens that thrive year-round. Designing succulent gardens that thrive year-round requires careful consideration of factors such as light, soil, water, and climate. Succulents thrive in bright, indirect sunlight, so it's essential to select a location for your garden that receives ample light throughout the day. However, some succulents can tolerate partial shade, so understanding the light requirements of each plant in your garden is key to ensuring their long-term health and vitality. In regions with intense sunlight, providing some afternoon shade can help prevent sunburn and maintain the vibrant colors of your succulents. Establishing well-draining soil is crucial for succulents, as they are highly susceptible to root rot if overwatered. Opt for a cactus or succulent mix that promotes good drainage and aeration to prevent waterlogged conditions. Amending the soil with perlite, pumice, or sand can also improve drainage and prevent moisture-related issues. By creating a well-balanced growing medium, you can mimic the natural habitats of succulents and promote optimal root health. Watering practices play a significant role in the success of your year-round succulent garden. Succulents are known for their water-storing capabilities, so they prefer infrequent but deep watering sessions rather than frequent light watering. Allow the soil to dry out between waterings to prevent root rot and promote robust root systems. During the dormant season or winter months, reduce watering frequency to mimic the plant's natural growth cycle. By adjusting your watering schedule based on seasonal changes and individual plant needs, you can maintain a thriving and sustainable succulent garden that flourishes year-round. Step-by-step guide to crafting Instagram-worthy succulent displays. Crafting Instagram-worthy succulent displays involves incorporating various colors, textures, and shapes to create visually appealing arrangements. Before starting your display, consider the overall theme or style you want to achieve, whether it's a modern, rustic, or whimsical look. Selecting a mix of succulents with different shapes and sizes can add depth and interest to your arrangement. Mixing rosette-shaped succulents with trailing varieties and upright plants can create a dynamic and harmonious composition that is sure to catch the eye. When arranging your succulents, pay attention to the color palette and contrast between the plants. Combining succulents with different shades of green, blue, purple, or even red can create a vibrant and captivating display. Interspersing pops of color with bright blooms or variegated foliage can further enhance the visual appeal of your arrangement. Additionally, pairing contrasting textures such as smooth leaves with spiky or fuzzy ones can add a tactile dimension to your display, making it more engaging and intriguing. Containers play a vital role in showcasing your succulent arrangement. Opt for containers that complement the overall style and theme of your display, whether it's a sleek and modern planter, a rustic terracotta pot, or a quirky vintage vessel. Choosing containers with drainage holes is essential for succulent health, as it helps prevent waterlogging and root rot. You can also get creative with unconventional containers such as teacups, mason jars, or driftwood to add a unique and personal touch to your succulent display. To maintain the Instagram-worthy quality of your succulent arrangement, regular care and maintenance are crucial. Check your succulents regularly for signs of overgrowth, pest infestations, or disease, and prune or treat them accordingly. Rotate the arrangement periodically to ensure even sunlight exposure and prevent etiolation or stretching of the plants. By dedicating time to upkeep and grooming, you can ensure that your succulent display remains vibrant, healthy, and camera-ready for your Instagram feed. The Art of Succulent Arrangements. Explore the world of succulent arrangements with plant care, where creativity blooms and gardens thrive year-round. Discover more captivating plant content by subscribing and liking this video. Join us on this green journey together.